Did you know that there's a planet where it rains glass sideways? Or that you could fit every planet in our solar system between Earth and the Moon? Space is far stranger than you ever imagined. Stay tuned because fact number 7 is going to blow your mind. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we explore the most fascinating topics about our universe. Today we're diving into 10 incredible facts about space that will completely change how you see the cosmos. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our weekly videos. Let's jump right in. Space is completely silent. And I mean absolutely, utterly silent. Here's why. Sound needs a medium to travel through, like air or water. Sound waves are basically vibrations that move through molecules. But space is a vacuum, which means there are no molecules to carry sound waves. So if you were floating out there without a suit, you wouldn't hear yourself scream. Pretty terrifying, right? This is why in movies like Star Wars or Star Trek, those epic space battles with roaring engines and explosions are scientifically impossible. In reality, space warfare would be eerily silent. The only sounds astronauts hear are through radio communications or vibrations conducted through their spacecraft. There's a planet that literally rains diamonds. I'm not making this up. 55 Cancri is a super-Earth exoplanet located about 40 light-years away. Scientists believe that due to its intense pressure and carbon-rich atmosphere, diamonds form in the upper atmosphere and fall like rain toward the surface. We're talking about a planet potentially covered in diamonds and graphite. But before you start planning your intergalactic mining operation, there's a catch. The surface temperature is around 3,900 degrees Fahrenheit. So yeah, you'd be vaporized long before you could grab any bling. Still, it's incredible to think that somewhere out there, diamonds are falling from the sky like raindrops. Astronauts are time travelers, seriously. Due to Einstein's theory of relativity, time moves slightly slower in orbit than it does on Earth. The International Space Station orbits at about 17,500 miles per hour, and at that speed, time dilation occurs. Astronauts on the ISS age just a tiny bit slower than people on Earth. For example, astronaut Scott Kelly spent 340 days in space and came back 8.6 milliseconds younger than he would have been if he'd stayed on Earth. It's a minuscule amount, but it's real time travel into the future. The faster you go and the stronger the gravitational field you're in, the more pronounced this effect becomes. Neutron stars are the zombies of the cosmos, and they're absolutely terrifying. When a massive star explodes in a supernova, its core can collapse into a neutron star. These objects are so dense that just 1 teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh about 6 billion tons. That's roughly the same weight as 900 Great Pyramids of Giza in a teaspoon. But here's where it gets even crazier. Neutron stars can spin at incredible speeds, up to 700 rotations per second. These are called pulsars, and they emit beams of radiation that sweep across space like a cosmic lighthouse. If you somehow got close to one, the gravitational pull would be so intense that you'd be stretched and compressed simultaneously in a process scientists call spaghettification. Not a pleasant way to go. The Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall is the largest known structure in the universe. And it's so massive it challenges our understanding of cosmic evolution. This structure is a galactic filament made up of galaxy clusters, spanning approximately 10 billion light-years across. To put that in perspective, light traveling at 186,000 miles per second would take 10 billion years to cross it. It's so large that it contradicts the cosmological principle, which suggests that matter should be evenly distributed throughout the universe. Discovering something this enormous has forced scientists to reconsider fundamental theories about how the universe formed and evolved. It's a reminder that no matter how much we learn, the universe still has secrets that can turn our understanding upside down. HD 189733b is a planet that defies imagination. Located about 63 light-years from Earth, this gas giant appears to be a beautiful blue color, similar to Earth. But don't be fooled by its appearance. This planet is a nightmare world. The blue color doesn't come from water, it's caused by silicate particles in the atmosphere. And here's the kicker. The wind speeds on HD 189733b reach up to 5,400 miles per hour, which is 7 times the speed of sound. These winds carry tiny particles of glass created from the silicates in the atmosphere. So essentially, this planet has sideways glass rain moving at hypersonic speeds. The temperature is around 1,700 degrees Fahrenheit. It's one of the most hostile environments ever discovered, and it reminds us that beauty in space can be deadly. Here's something that will change how you see yourself. You are mostly empty space. Atoms are made up of a nucleus surrounded by electrons, but the actual matter only accounts for a tiny fraction of the atom's volume. The space between the nucleus and electrons is vast on an atomic scale. If you removed all the empty space from all the atoms in all the humans on Earth, the entire human race would fit into the volume of a sugar cube. We feel solid because of electromagnetic forces between atoms, not because we're actually made of solid matter. In a very real sense, you're more space than substance. It's one of the strangest truths about existence itself. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is on a collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy, and there's nothing we can do to stop it. In about 4.5 billion years, these two massive spiral galaxies will collide and merge into a single giant elliptical galaxy that astronomers have already nicknamed Milky. Now, before you panic, here's the good news. Galaxies are mostly empty space, so the chances of individual stars colliding are incredibly small. However, the gravitational interactions will dramatically reshape both galaxies, potentially ejecting some star systems into intergalactic space while others plunge toward the merged galactic center. Our solar system might survive, but the night sky will look completely different. It's a reminder that even galaxies have finite lifespans. There's something massive out there pulling our galaxy toward it, and we can't see what it is. The Great Attractor is a gravitational anomaly located roughly 250 million light-years away, pulling the Milky Way and hundreds of thousands of other galaxies toward it at speeds of over 1,000 kilometers per second. The problem is, it's located in the zone of avoidance behind the plane of the Milky Way, where dust and stars block our view. Scientists believe it could be a massive cluster of galaxies or even something more exotic, but we won't know for sure until better observation technology becomes available. It's one of the greatest mysteries in astronomy, a cosmic force pulling us toward an unknown destination. So there you have it, 10 mind-blowing facts about space that prove the universe is far stranger than we ever imagined. Which fact surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more fascinating content every week. We've got some incredible topics coming up, including ancient mysteries that still baffle scientists today. Thanks for watching, and remember, we're all made of stardust floating through an infinite cosmos. See you in the next video.